Hi everyone! Welcome again sa aking channel. For this video ay tuturo ko sa inyo yung continuation ng lessons about conic sections under chapter 1. This time, it is about parabola. Under the lesson of the parabola, we have the following: the definition of parabola, the parts of a parabola, the orientation of parabola, and the standard equation of parabola. So it involves the definition of parabola as a conic section and analytically. Pag dinefine natin analytically ang parabola, mababanggit dyan yung kanyang parts and orientation which are very important to determine the standard equation of a parabola. Let's start with the definition of parabola. Remember, as a conic section, parabola is formed when a cone is cut by a plane parallel to one and only one generator. Ito ulit yung ating illustration. Meron tayong two circular cone, then a cutting plane. Ito yung ating generator or yung side ng ating cone. Then ito yung ating cutting plane. Dahil nakaparallel siya sa generator, ang nabuong conic section is parabola. Now, let's define naman parabola analytically. Analytically, a parabola is the set of all points P such that its distances from a fixed point called focus and a fixed line called directrix is the same. For instance, we have a set of points na naka-curve. Sa loob ng curve, meron tayong tinatawag na fixed point which is called focus. And on the opposite side, meron naman tayong tinatawag na fixed line which is called directrix, na kung saan ang bawat points sa ating curve ay may ganitong property. Halimbawa, meron tayong point dito. Yung distance ng point na yan papuntang focus at yung distance niya papuntang directrix is equal or the same. Kung halimbawa naman meron tayong point dito, ganun pa rin ang property niya, yung distance niya papuntang focus at yung distance niya papuntang directrix is still equal or the same. One more, halimbawa nandito naman yung point natin. Itong point na to, yung distance niya papuntang focus at papuntang directrix is equal or the same. So that property applies to all points na nasa curve natin. And that is what we call parabola. Yung set of points na nag-form ng curve na yan na may ganung properties ay tinatawag nating parabola. Next, let's have the orientation or the openings of parabola. Ang ibig sabihin nito ay kung saan naka-open or nakabuka yung ating parabola. We have four orientations or four openings of a parabola. Yung una is kapag ito ay opening upward or opens upward. Kapag ang parabola natin ay naka-open upward, ang focus ay nasa taas, ang directrix ay nasa baba. Next, kung ang orientation naman ng parabola ay opens downward, ang ating focus ay nasa baba, ang ating directrix ay nasa taas. The next orientation is if the parabola opens to the right. So if the parabola opens to the right, ang ating focus ay nasa right at nasa left naman yung directrix. The last one is kapag ang parabola is opening to the left. Kapag opening to the left, ang focus ay nasa left, ang directrix ay nasa kanan. That is the four orientation or four openings ng parabola. Let's proceed to its standard equation. The standard equation of parabola depends on the orientation of the parabola. Let's start with the condition that if the parabola opens upward or downward, ito ulit yung ating parabola upward, ito naman ulit yung ating parabola opens downward. Kapag ang kanilang vertex is at the origin, pag sinabi nating origin, that is 0, 0, ang tinutukoy nating vertex dito ay itong point na to, yung lowest point or highest point of the parabola. Kapag yan ay nasa origin, ang kanilang standard equation is like this. Naka-squared yung x, yung y ay hindi. Parehas silang x squared is equal to 4cy provided na mag-iiba sila sa value ng c. Kapag opening upward, ang ating letter c ay positive. Kaya ito ay positive 4c. Kapag opening downward naman, ang ating letter C ay negative. Kaya ito ay negative 4C. Pero yung format nila ay parehas, x squared is equal to 4cy. Next, kapag naman ang ating vertex is at any point, h, k, ang kanilang standard equation is like this. Parehas silang x minus h squared is equal to 4c times the quantity of y minus k, provided na magkaiba ulit yung value ng c. Itong opening upward, again, ang value ng c is positive, kaya ito ay positive 4c. Ang opening downward naman is negative c, kaya ang value natin dito is negative 4c. Pero parehas yung format nila na the quantity of x minus h squared is equal to 4c times the quantity of y minus k. That is the standard equation if the parabola opens upward or downward. Tandaan na ang naka-squared dito ay variable x. Next, the second condition is that if the parabola opens to the right or to the left. Ito ulit yung ating parabola opening to the right. At ito ulit yung ating parabola opening to the left. Kapag ang vertex natin is at the origin, that is 0, 0, ito yung tinutukoy nating vertex. So kahalera siya ng focus. Ito ay leftmost point. Ito naman ay rightmost point ng parabola. Kapag sila ay nasa origin 0, 0, ang kanilang standard equation is like this. Letter y naman, yung naka-squared, tapos wala namang squared yung x. Parehas silang nasa formang y squared is equal to 4cx, provided na magkaiba ulit sila sa value ng c. Kapag opening to the right, ang ating letter c ay positive, kaya ito ay positive 4c. Then kapag opening to the left, ang value ng c ay negative, kaya ito ay negative 4c. Pero, same format sila na y squared is equal to 4cx. Now, kapag naman ang ating vertex is at any point, h, k, ang kanilang standard equation ay nasa ganitong format. Parehas silang the quantity of y minus k squared is equal to 4c times the quantity of x minus h, provided na mag-iiba ulit sila sa value ng c. Ito ay positive 4c kapag opening to the right. Ito naman ay negative 4c kapag opening to the left. Pero, para silang format na y minus k squared is equal to 4c times the quantity of x minus h. And that is the openings and the standard equation of parabola depending on its orientation. After knowing the openings and the standard equation of parabola, let's try this. Identify the orientation of the following parabola. Number 1, x minus 4 squared is equal to 10 times the quantity of y plus 5. Dahil ang variable natin na naka-squared ay yung x, ibig sabihin, it is either upward or downward. Pero dahil positive 10 ang ating 4c, ito ay opening upward. Next, number 2, the quantity of y minus 1 squared is equal to negative 8 times the quantity of x minus 3. Dahil ang letter y ang naka-squared, it's either opening to the right or opening to the left. Pero dahil negative ang ating 4c, ito ay opening to the left. Number 3, we have x squared is equal to negative 12y. Again, ang ating variable na naka-squared ay x, so it's either opening upward or downward. Pero dahil ang ating 4c ay negative, ito ay opening downward. Last, we have number 4. Y squared is equal to 14x. Ang ating variable na naka-squared ay y. So, ibig sabihin, it's either opening to the left or opening to the right. Pero dahil ang ating 4c ay positive 14, ito ay opening to the right. So, that is the definition of parabola, parts of the parabola, orientation of the parabola, and the standard equation of parabola.